Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, Kidizen, a little bit on eBay, and I do this for fun and because I have 3 kids, and who doesn't like making some extra cash, and I like dressing my kids cute. We are in Orlando. We basically live at Disney. It's summertime, and I have a mystery box problem, but it's not a problem because at least I admit it, and you guys that watch these probably do as well. So today, I always say I'm so excited, but today, y'all, it's a whole other level because I have been buying ThredUp mystery boxes since December, and I have never seen this box available, and I work from home for my real job, and so I check the website typically several times a day. Most of the boxes that I order come up on Tuesdays. I don't know, but this is the mixed jewelry, not the DIY jewelry, just the mixed jewelry 15-piece, y'all. When I saw this, I clicked so fast, and then I went back to buy a second one, and they were already sold out. So it came in this cute, teensy little box. It did come from Swanee, Georgia, which that's where most of my boxes come from, being that I'm in Florida. So anyway, let's dig in. And I do hope there's a piece or two I can resell, but honestly, I love to wear jewelry, and so I hope there's a piece or two that I will keep for myself. So here it is. Came nicely packed with lots of bubbles. Oh, I've watched a lot of these unboxings, but I guess I've never noticed. They came in these little, there's 4 of these? 3, 4? Yeah, they're like little envelopes that are individually sealed. So this box, I'm so excited. I forgot to tell you, and I don't even remember, $48 plus $5.99 shipping. And what did I tell you? 15 pieces. It should be, if you've been watching, you know I can't math. So that made it $53.99. So $3.60 a piece. So if there's 15. All right, here we go. And this one has 2 baggies. I've seen people get all kinds of brand name stuff, some gold, some silver. Okay, this looks like 2 items. Okay, let's do this one first. I don't do jewelry videos, so I don't have any of the fancy tools or anything. This is cute. It's just a dainty little necklace. It is from Express. So just a little piece of fashion jewelry. But it's pretty. It looks like, it's hard to tell probably on the video, but it is like rose gold, then silver, then gold on the bottom. Cute. And then this piece also just looks like a little piece of costume jewelry. What does it say on it? It says Korea, but that's it. No other markings. And it's just like, so probably just a gold tone. Oh, there's a blue stone. So it's 6 little stones and a blue stone. So I don't know how to tell if they're like crystals or anything. I don't have any of that stuff. So I don't know. So if you know jewelry, maybe you can help me out. Okay, I see something that says White House Black Market. I love White House Black Market. I know the clothing are so expensive. I buy a lot from there. These aren't all the same. But the resale, unfortunately, isn't as awesome as others. So it works out for me because I love it. I know my sizing. So these retailed for $40. They are just, look like little suns. They're hoops. These are cute. I don't know that I will wear these just because I don't really wear a lot of browns, and it has brown. I don't know. So they retail for $40. Maybe I could get, I don't know, 18 bucks or so out of them. We'll see. Okay. Looks like 2 pair of earrings here. These look like a pair of Kendra Scott earrings I have, but I'll show you. They're quite long. They're quite heavy. They don't have the backs on them, but they don't say anything back there. So no idea what brand, if they're a brand, but they are pretty substantial. So these are cute. These will match some of my Lily pieces I have. And since they don't have a brand or anything, they'd probably be a little, you know, what would I make, a couple bucks? Oh, there's 3 pairs of earrings in there. So Here's another pair. These are interesting. How do I show you? They're like, I don't know. It's hard to explain. So there's like a stud and then this little thing hanging on it. Okay, it says, oh my gosh, ALE Met. That's what I can read. With my, I did have LASIK a million years ago. Maybe AL Met. Don't make fun of me because if I watch this back, that probably, does that spell something? Ailment, AL, I don't know. But they're like a, yeah, oh, it says it on the back too. On the back of this with little 3 holes. ALEMET. I don't know what that is. Oh, and the little, it says 925, the backing. So they are silver, right? Isn't 925 silver? But they look rose gold with some little crystals. I don't know. They're cute. I'm interested to see what they look like on because I can't really visualize what these little deals do. But I also have 2 little girls. So we'll see. These also look Kendra Scott-ish. They're not, but they're very cute. These are definitely my style. They're black and sparkly. And they have no markings. They definitely show some wear like on the back side, but these are cute. Like these are definitely something I would wear. Today's my birthday, and so I will probably pick out something, hopefully maybe a necklace or something to wear tonight. I don't know. Okay. This one has just one big bag in it. It says J. Crew. Looks like a very heavy. Wow. This is fun. So this is, it looks like upside down pineapples. I know they're not, but I wear a lot of lily. I'm in Florida. I see pineapples and some pearls and sparkles and wow, I like this. This is definitely like what I was hoping for. It's got, I know that this is J. Crew without even seeing the words on it. So this is great. This is definitely what I was hoping to get, some like a couple statement pieces. And yeah, that's fun. I wish I could find these boxes more often. Okay, there's 2 more of these. Okay, this has, we know what that looks like, a Tory Burch. Okay, a bag. Okay, there's a bangle and then another bag. This is a bangle with no words, it's like the residue of some sort of sticker in there, but just I have very tiny wrists, so I don't wear a lot of bracelets. So I have no idea where this is from, but there's that. This is just in a cute little bag. It's very, very lightweight. And it says nothing. So just a little piece of costume jewelry, like super, super lightweight. So not my style, but I don't know. Can you sell something like that? Maybe someone's looking for those colors. Okay, I'm excited about this little purple bag. What do we have from Tori? Oh, these are pretty. These are cute. Oh, quit wiggling. These little earrings with gold, with like tortoise shell with the emblem. Those are cute. Those probably cost more than the $54 of the bag. So yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, last bag. Two bags. Trying to keep everything around so I can count quick at the end. Is this one thing, 2 things? I don't know. I know some people do these unboxings so cute with like a solid white background with the camera looking down. I'm not that girl. Oh my gosh, is this 2 things or 1? Oh, I think 2. Here we go. I think I got it. Because I appreciate that they put them in these little bags, but what is happening here? Okay, okay. Here's one. This is pretty. This looks like some pieces I have from White House Black Market, but they always have the name. So no brand name. It's just a long necklace. I have one that looks almost very similar, except for what this is a piece of like wood. Mine has just a piece of silver. So yeah, no idea where this is from, but it's cute. I definitely do wear necklaces like this often if I just wear a plain colored shirt just to dress it up a little. Okay, and then this other one that was in there. This says Loft, so this is from Loft. And it's another just very long. It's pretty. It's actually, it's like a rope almost. With some just clear, and yeah, that's cute. Definitely kind of beachy to me. So that will look cute with some things. All right, final bag. Looks like there's a few pieces in here. Okay, this is J. Crew. It's only one. Hypoallergenic ear post. And I guess it was only supposed to come with one, maybe for like a second hole. And this is fun. It's an A. How did they know? And my name is Amanda. Did they do that on purpose? I highly doubt it, but okay. I do have second holes, but I do not put anything in them. And there's 3 more things. Okay, this is just a bangle. And it says stainless steel, but it's just a gold bangle with some sparkles in there. It's cute. It's tiny. Like I have very tiny, I mean, I could get it on if I wanted, but that's small. And this looks like an Alex and Annie. It's a sorority. So that will be good for the fall. I know that will sell. It's, what is it? Alpha Omicron Pi. That's cute. It's just they're gold colored. Okay, and last piece. This is amazing. It's this ring that looks like a microphone disco ball. It looks like all the rhinestones are there. Let's see. There's no markings in it, but y'all, like, I like bling and shiny, sparkly things. So like, it's my birthday today, and I think I'm gonna wear this because, I mean, my nails are kind of chipping and it's whatever, but this is amazing. So, okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces. So, I mean, I think this was great. I've never gotten one before, so I have nothing to compare it to, but y'all, like, I love it. I love these little earrings. These are very cute. I will absolutely wear these little earrings, probably these. If you, just a random tip for those of you out there, I like to wear Kendra Scott earrings, but sometimes they're so heavy and I don't want to get that like pull. You can buy these really cheap stickers off of Amazon that you put the sticker behind your ear and you stick this through it, and it holds it up. And my gosh, it makes them so much more comfortable. So if you wear heavy jewelry, you need those stickers. They are amazing. And I think this is pretty fantastic also. Yeah, so this was a great box. I wish I could snag them more often. I see some of my friends here on YouTube snag this box all the time. And I'm like, how do they know? They know a secret I don't know. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I've got a couple more boxes. I kind of ordered several last week and one day, and they all arrived at the same time. So I've got lots coming for you in the next week, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.